Fuck you, sir. Fuck you, sir. You're not a judge, bitch. Fuck you, sir.
Are you done, Ms. Williams?
No.
Okay.
When
Continue.
you're done, I'll be done.
Present before the court is Ms. Williams, right?
Yes, could you read the case number again, please?
It is 25 CR 42659.
Okay, was this a warrant or indictment information?
This is an arraignment because you have been indicted by the grand jury.
I have been indicted by the grand jury.
Yep.
Okay, can we get into that right now?
Have you received a copy of your indictment?
I got a copy right here that's been filed with Warren County, the Common Pleas Court, Warren County, Ohio, filed 2025, May 27th, a.m. at 8:58. That's before we open.
All right, first order of business, Ms. Williams.
Bryson Smith, clerk of courts, here, please, wait, here. Here's what it says. The offense is contrary to the form of the statute in such case made and provided, and against the peace and dignity of the state of Ohio. Okay, so it says the offense is contrary. It says it's not an agreement.
Okay.
It is not an indictment. I was not indicted in any way, shape, or form.
So first order of business, Ms. Williams.
Sort of business is I'm not indicted.
First order of business, Ms. Williams, is do you want to be represented by a lawyer in this case?
You hired this lawyer, sir, Judge Oda. You hired this lawyer.
Well,
I did not want this lawyer, Judge Oda. You hired the lawyer. I did not hire a lawyer. My lawyer is a black man named Tyrone Border. That's my lawyer, a black man. This is not a black man, and this is not my lawyer. You hired him, Judge Oda, because he told me you hired him.
Have you
Okay,
retained Mr. Borger in the case?
Have you ever given me a chance to call my attorney? No, you have not. Have you ever given me a chance for anything? I was released from bond. My bond was paid, that $30,000, and the house was put up in Mason by Sandra Hopkins. Yes, yes, it was because it was. Because it was, and it was. $300,000 was the bail. Okay, bond. I was never released, sir.
So have you retained?
Here's something else here.
Ms. Williams, first of all, here's the ground rules for the hearing, Ms.
Okay,
Williams.
I'll let you speak.
One of us is going to talk at a time.
But see,
I'm going to, hold on, Ms. Williams.
You are retired, sir. You are retired, sir.
Ms. Williams,
You are retired, sir.
only one of us is going to talk at a time.
You are retired.
I will
Yeah.
try to let you talk and finish when it's your turn to talk. If you extend to me that same courtesy, will you do that for me?
But you're retired, sir. So what are you doing on the bench?
So, Ms. Williams, did you hire Mr. Borger to represent you in this case?
No, because you've never given me a chance to use the phone as a phone call to my lawyer, sir.
All right. Because you haven't retained a lawyer in the case.
For 2 months. I refuse this lawyer.
Again, Ms.
I will
Williams,
fucking be my own lawyer, sir, and I will be disrespectful as hell. I don't give a shit about you or anything in this goddamn place. You are a piece of shit. I know you as a piece of shit. He is a piece of shit. And this is bullshit. This is jeopardy because what's here, what's here as notarized is not fucking notarized in any goddamn way. This is not my lawyer, and you are not a judge because you are not on seat anymore. You retired, sir, about 4 years ago. So don't run your shit with me. It was on fucking South Lebanon's thing. You know, Landrum, don't hang out with JD. Fuck you, sir. Fuck you, sir. You're not a judge, bitch. Fuck you, sir.
are you done, Ms. Williams?
No.
Okay.
When
Continue.
you're done, I'll be done.
Well, first of all, we don't need Mr. Wendell anymore because you don't want him to represent you in the case, right?
Right.
So
I'd rather go to hell first than use him.
I'm going to keep Mr. Wendell on the case as what we call a standby counsel for right now,
Oh, that's
because based upon,
fine. Keep his mouth shut.
are you done, Ms. Williams?
No, are you done?
Go ahead.
Kangaroo court.
Tell me what you want to tell me.
I'm supposed to be at 500 Justice Drive. This is 500 Justice Drive.
This is 500 Justice Drive.
No, it isn't. It's 880. It's felony court. This is 880. You know how I know? Because I'm a goddamn mail lady, you fucker. I'm a veteran mail lady, 20 years delivering the mail. That's how I know, fuckhead. This is 880 address. And the court, the traffic court is 822, bitch. The old jail is 822. I'm not at 822 address. I'm at the 880 address of the jail, sir. So all your paperwork is all fucked up. Here's another thing, sir. The year is 2027, sir. The date is July 23rd, sir. You
All right,
okay,
so
sir?
here's what
Year
I'm gonna
is
do.
2027. It is
Ms.
not.
Williams?
It is not 2025, idiot. When are you going to wake up and make? Sir, some dope. Smoke some dope, Louis, because you don't know what the fuck is up and what is good and what is right and what is wrong. You're fucked up and from the floor. This is kangaroo court. You're bullshit. You are bullshit and you are bullshit. The year is 2027. How do I know? Because I voted for President Trump. Okay? So what you don't know, I do know, Judge Oda. You are the devil itself. Go to hell, Judge Oda.
So here's what
You are not a
Ms.
judge.
Williams.
You are not sitting on court. This is not a court of law.
The court
Because
finds
here's why it's not a
this
court of law.
point, Ms.
The
Williams,
flag behind you is a state flag, and it's on the wrong goddamn side. Because the United States of America's flag goes on that side, and the state flag goes on the other. And the state flag is lower than the goddamn United States of America. So this is fucking kangaroo court, you bitch. Don't you fuck with me, motherfucker.
Ma'am, let him say his part.
No, he ain't saying shit, and you aren't either, you bitch. So your kangaroo court is full of shit.
this hearing's over. I do
You're right,
find,
it
Ms.
is
Williams,
over.
that
You're
you are
fucking
not
straight up right.
competent
It is
to
goddamn over.
address
You
the
are
issues
over.
of
Go to
arraignment.
hell, you bitch, Rover.
I'm going to have you evaluated for the purpose of determining your competency to whether or not you can understand the nature of the proceedings and assist in your own
That's double
defense.
jeopardy because you charged me twice.
I'm going to keep you on the case, Mr. Wendell, as a standby counsel till we get that figured out.
Would you like me to coordinate a date with assignment?
Yeah, go ahead and get a date with Ms. Isle.
Thank you.
Should I join in the motion for suggestion of incompetence? All parties are requesting it.
Comment your opinion, like the video, and subscribe for more real courtroom moments.
During this arraignment, Miss Williams appeared before the court and immediately disputed the legitimacy of the proceedings. She repeatedly challenged the authority of the presiding judge, claiming he was retired and not legally seated, and objected to the appointed attorney, Mr. Borger, stating that she had not retained him and instead wished to represent herself. Miss Williams displayed significant frustration, insisting she had not been properly indicted despite references to a grand jury indictment. She had not been given the opportunity to contact her preferred attorney, Mr. Tyrone Borger. Court documents and addresses cited were incorrect. The courtroom setup, including flag placement, was improper, which she argued invalidated the hearing. She repeatedly expressed that she did not recognize the court's authority and called the proceedings a kangaroo court. The presiding judge attempted to maintain order, establishing ground rules and instructing that only one person speak at a time. Despite warnings, Miss Williams continued to interrupt and assert her objections vocally.